Hello, you guys. Welcome back to Gina's Way. Surprise, surprise. It has been a long time. I'm still on YouTube, but I've been on a different side of YouTube. But just with everything going on with the world right now, I know people want to know how to save money and they want to do some deals. So I'm going to start posting deals. They might not always be in the store. I'll post them online. Whenever I see a deal come through, I'll go ahead and post it so you guys can know what's going on. So I did a deal, you guys. This right here, I did the Arm& and Hammer for this week. Let's see if I can get my mouse to go there. Oh my gosh, there we go. So it's 2 for $5 on this deal. Okay, so let's look at the deal. Let's break it down. So you can get one for $5, or you can get two for five. Okay, basically they're saying buy one get one free. Now, the normal price is $7.49, which is kind of expensive, but you can go ahead and get two of them for $5, which is a really good deal because, like they said, it's buy one, get one free. Also included is those OxyClean, the 14 each. Those are included in the deal. And also those are included in the deal, the liquid. And I think those are 21 loads or something like that, which is a really good deal as well. So those are tiny, but I mean, if you need laundry detergent, we moved in our house almost close to 5 years ago. This is my first time even buying laundry detergent since I moved in here because it was stocked up so well. And so this is the first time I'm even buying it. But because I had a lot of money at Walgreens, I needed to spend that money because it just was sitting there and I really didn't want the points to expire. I don't even know when they would, but it's been there for a while. I'm like, let me get rid of these points. Get rid of the money that's there. Now, I bought $60 worth of items combined together. I did that because there's a deal that you can do. I believe it's Save 20. I'll put it across the screen. If you do it online, then you're going to be able to save 20%. So that's why I did that deal. And that's what I did for that deal. So it's really, really simple. Put a bunch in the cart. When it goes to do a coupon where it says enter the coupon deal, all you're going to do is put save 20. If you don't want to get that many, there's also another coupon that you can do where you could save 10%. And I'll go ahead and insert that there. And then you could save 10%. So, yeah, so there's other things that you can do. There's also a paper towel deal, you guys. I don't know if y'all saw that one. This one is buy one, get one 50% off. And so that's a good deal. But we also have another deal. Let me show you guys that one. Okay. So we have this right here, this Walgreens. So it's $3.99. I think the normal price is $5. And you can either do that's a pretty good deal because you can either do paper towel or you can do toilet tissue. Okay. And this actually you could do the stock up. It'll be like stock up price actually for the paper towels and everything because of the price. If you go in the store, I'm going to keep it real. You know how you go in the store, you could just buy something for. Okay, so you know how you go into the store, you can buy anything, buy a candy bar, buy something, just so that you can get that that $5 off. That makes it even a sweeter deal. Like normally it'll say $5 off your next order or something like that, which makes it a really sweet deal, you guys. Because at that point, it's like okay, so I can do the $5 off and then buy so many of those. It makes it about $2.79 if you have that extra coupon. So I would say go in there, do that, you're not getting any cash back or anything like that. So spend any rewards you got. This is a good time to spend your money on that. So those are the two deals. I'll be bringing back, like I said, more deals as I see them because it is a pretty good week at Walgreens this week, but I'll bring you some more deals. And yeah, let me know what you guys did this week. And I will talk to y'all later. See you in the next video. Bye, guys.